Hello, and welcome to a new video tutorial where we'll explore the features available through the CoraKit board settings. Once the device is wired up, the next step is to access the board's web server. To do this, we will disconnect the power supply of the CoraKit and reconnect it. Similarly to the CoraKit, during the next 5 minutes, the CoraKit will generate an access point with a similar SSID to the one that appears on the screen. Once connected, we will access the address fermax-cora.com from a browser. The first time we access, the password will be 19,025, and after entering it, it will ask us to change it. You can change the language of the configuration interface from this page using the button in the top right corner. You can also change it once you have logged in. If we log out of the web server now, once the password has been changed and more than 5 minutes have passed since we powered on the panel, we can log back into the web server and create a new access point, either by pressing the call button for 15 seconds or by powering the panel off and on again. Once logged in with a new password, we can continue to change the panel settings. From this initial screen, we can add a name or identifier of our panel, as well as configure the type of panel, the block number, its block, and the number of panel. Also configure it as master to program the house monitors from the panel. By default, line adaptation is activated on C. This is the default mode for single-family home installations using a point-to-point topology. Finally, you have the option to enable communication to terminate once the door release has occurred. From settings, we can adjust the parameters related to the opening, the audio, the video, the accessibility, or the button. Regarding the openings, as we saw in the installation video, we can have several configurations. We have a continuous 12V output that only activates during the opening time. So if we have a low consumption open door with less than 250 milliamperes, we can have a relay available to activate some light or open a second door. Within the web server, both in the relay and in the 12V output, with the activation command option, we can select which button we will open the door or activate the relay, if with the door opening button or key, with the F1 or F2. We can also define the configurable opening time from 1 to 99 seconds. We can define if this option will be activated with the trigger or exit button, and also the opening time of this one. From the audio section, we can adjust the volume levels from 1 to 8 of the conversation, of the automatic messages, and adjust the microphone gain level. We can adjust the zoom by selecting a specific area of the image. You can also activate or deactivate the lighting during the call and choose the intensity level of this one, as well as choosing between standard or premium video quality, the latter being exclusive to monitors that support it. From accessibility, we can configure the language of the messages, as well as disable them or add a second language. We can also activate or deactivate the sound of a call establishment, as well as the sound of a door opening. You can also load an MP3 sound different from the alternative option. From the button, we can activate the backlight of the card holder and its brightness level, as well as the functions of the button. Finally, from this menu, you can update the firmware or save the web server configuration to later be able to import it on other panels. We can also restore the panel configuration to return to the factory values. This option will not affect the current password. In case you do not remember the password, there is the possibility of making a physical password reset. To do this, we will follow the following steps. Disconnect the panel power supply. Make a bridge between the BS port, that is, the output switch, and the negative port. Refuel the panel, keeping the bridge ready. In a few seconds, you will hear a beep beep. We will wait 10 additional seconds after this sound. The reset will have finished. We connect the power supply from the panel, remove the cable from the panel, and reconnect it normally. The panel will now have the default password 19025. This has been all. Thanks for your attention, and see you next time.